Thanks for checking into the Thursday Night Update. A hurricane has been born. You can see it right now on the visible satellite imagery. Very visible center, very strong winds. We have winds above 85 knots, gusting up, or I should say 85 miles an hour. And this is going to make landfall in Florida soon, and there will be impacts. But what I'm gaining concern in tonight is really what's going to happen later on in the week in the Mid-Atlantic, because the models today did not back down on what my thoughts were yesterday, which were that this is going to be a high impact event for the Mid-Atlantic, mainly in terms of high winds, flooding at the beaches, and also beach erosion. And we have a lot to talk about, but I'll try to keep it short. Moving on here, you can see here's the National Hurricane Center track, actually. And they keep adjusting this back and forth. And they just brought this back a little bit more west today. And now they have tropical storm conditions all up the Delmarva into the North Jersey coast. Very concerning, guys. Let's take a look at what the models are actually showing here, give you my interpretation. So the storm works its way through Florida, works its way up the coast, and then it's going to get trapped, just like I talked about yesterday. The only difference today is we're getting a lot more model agreement on that, which is really starting to get me worried, because all this high pressure to the north is not going to let this storm escape out to the east like you normally would see. Normally you have a westerly flow where all the winds in the upper atmosphere will take a storm and push it out to sea. Right now, because of this block in the atmosphere, this storm has nowhere to go. So it's going to be stalling off the Mid-Atlantic coast on Sunday into Monday, and there will be impacts. This is the wind field associated based on the GFS model, and all models are showing similar things. I'm just showing the GFS, and you can see by the time we get to Sunday afternoon, watch this back into the coast. You see that move? It stalls and backs in, and this is where we could really see a lot of impacts in coastal areas where we, like I said, we can see flooding, several inches of rain, and really some problems, guys. I mean, this isn't going to be Hurricane Sandy, but it's enough to be a newsworthy event, and we really have to stay on top of this. In terms of the actual precipitation, take a look at this. You can see the rain bands coming in. Again, here comes the storm. Rain bands come in on Sunday, late Saturday night, and it just keeps raining throughout the day on Sunday. And this storm is in no hurry to leave. When it's all said and done, let's see what this particular model is showing. Several inches of rain. I actually have a threat map I put out that you guys saw before you clicked on this video. I don't think this is going to make it too far up into northern Jersey, into central Pennsylvania. There's going to be a very sharp cutoff. So there's going to be people who live on the edge here. You might not see much of anything. But the immediate coastal areas, we have a lot to be worried about here, especially because this is a very powerful storm. And you know what? The water off the New Jersey and Delmarva coast is very abnormally warm right now for this time of year, and that's going to provide a lot of fuel for this storm. I think there's more surprises to come. Yes, this can still track out to sea, but I'm not getting that sense right now. I had a bad feeling about this yesterday, and today confirmed it. Thanks for checking in. There will be more updates tomorrow morning.